Good morning, children. Welcome to today's lecture. And today, according to a timetable, you have history and civics. And in today's lecture, in the previous lecture, we have already completed um, we have already done the explanation of the chapter, right? So, in today's video, I'll be sharing you the notes. Notes also I'll be sharing you in two parts because this chapter is long. This is a main chapter, and this has notes, okay, that is little lengthy. So to lighten your work, I'll be sharing the notes also in two parts. Okay, so you have to come on page number 150, page number 150. Okay, on page number 150 you have choose the correct option. Constitution puts a limit on misuse of power, violation of fundamental rights, both of these, none of these. So answer is both of these. The lowest level of governance is option C, village. Which of these cannot be provided by the constitution? Option B, secure right to secure good marks. Who was the chairman of the Constituent Assembly? So the answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Number 5, the constitution was passed on 26 January 1950. Option B. Now, true false. Constitution is a set of rules according to which the government of a country runs. Yes, true. Laws are not necessary for smooth running of the country. False. Socialism laws emphasizes on economic justice. True. Each state of India has its own constitution. False. The Indian constitution was made by the British law experts. False. Now match the following. You will be putting numbers like this. Upper house is called the Rajya Sabha. Lower house is called the Lok Sabha. Head of the state is the president. Head of the government is the prime minister, and local government is answer will be panchayat. This is all we have done in this lecture. Everything is given here. Fill in the blanks. There are, it will be there are. Okay, make it there are. It is there are. THERE. There are three organs of government in India. Now, the elected representatives make the parliament. The executive implements various programs and policies made by the government. The judiciary ensures the law of the land is followed. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the drafting committee. These answers you'll be doing in copy except this answer, okay, and this will be done in synopsis. Rest all will be done in copy, which I will provide you the question answers in the next lecture, not in this lecture. Okay, now let's come to copy work. Now see, you have to make you have to make a plain copy like this for history and civics. Okay, two copies you have to make. One for geography, that will be an interleaf copy. Second, history civics, that will be this like this plain copy. So today I will be sharing notes only of the synopsis. Write this name like this, write the date here. Okay, then chapter 1, the Indian Constitution synopsis. Number 1, constitution means a set of rules and according to which the government of a country runs. Like this, all the points you will write and leave one line after every point. Okay, like this you will write the points. These all are the synopsis point. Okay, this is also the synopsis points. Write the differentiate between like this. Draw a line in between Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. See how like exactly as it is written. Okay, like this only, like this. These are 5-page points. And draw a line like this here also and at the last also. Okay, you'll be doing this thing in in plain copy, normal copy, and I will be sharing a PDF of the exercise also and of this synopsis also. You will copy it from the synopsis. You will copy from that PDF. Okay, thank you. And I hope you all are following the guidelines issued by the government for the to for the stoppage of coronavirus, to combat coronavirus. And I hope that all of you are safe at your homes. So again, I request all of you to stay safe and stay healthy and follow the guidelines of the government. Let's meet in the next lecture. Thank you.